pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you this festive makeup tutorial, and we're gonna be doing brown smoky eyes because this is something which goes with every outfit, especially Indian wear. And since the festive season is just around the corner, you can wear it for Diwali, Bhai Dooj, and also for the wedding season. It literally goes with everything. Also guys, this is my 100th video and I'm so happy to be sharing this with you guys. We came till here and I know there's a long way to go. Just wanted to give you guys a big hug, and yeah, thank you for always supporting and inspiring me to do better. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna be starting with my Embryolisse cream. So it's a moisturizer plus a face primer. So I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and I always like to apply a good amount of moisturizer. I've already applied my regular moisturizer, which I always apply when I wash my face. And yeah, this is another moisturizer. So it's always better to moisturize your skin really well if you want your makeup to look flawless and smooth, so and also long lasting. We'll be doing the eyes first because there's chances of fallout when you do smoky eyes, so it's better to do the eyes first. We'll be using my Too Faced chocolate palette. I'll start with the lightest brown in the palette and we'll start putting up in my crease. So you need to take the lightest brown shade, whatever you have, like whatever tone you have. It could be a cool tone brown or a warm brown, but I would suggest you guys to take a warm brown and just blend it in the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat shader brush and we'll be picking up a darker brown. I'll place it on my lid. So I'll make sure it's below my crease, and then I'll go in the crease and just go back and forth. We'll blend the two colors together. And that's how easy it is. Or you can take the previous brush, the blending brush, and just use it without any product and just blend everything out. Next, I'm going to be using a black kohl. It's from Faces Canada and it has a smudger on the other side. So we'll apply the kohl and then smudge it. Also make sure आप यहाँ तक इसको ना लेके जाएं. And that's it, and you can see this fall out, which will clean with a facial wipe. Next, I'm going to prepare my lashes for the falsies, and I'm using this mascara by Estee Lauder. And leave some space in front. And that's it. And if you want, you can go on the lash band with a liquid liner so that your false lashes and your natural lashes blend really well and it doesn't look like you've applied false lashes. So yeah, it looks very tidy when you also go on with the liquid liner. Next, I'll do my eyebrows, and as usual I'll be using my Etude House eyebrow pencil, which has a spoolie on the side and the product on the other side. Now I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna start with concealing the dark circles, and today I'll be using this concealer from Makeup Revolution. It's their Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C10. It has a peachy undertone, so this will cancel all the darkness. It's a good concealer, like it's really hydrating, not drying, and the coverage is good as well. Use some here as well because there's some discoloration. I'll be using a matte pack brush in the number 272. I'll just press it. So I did not use a dark colored concealer to conceal this darkness today, and you just saw I used a concealer with a peach undertone, little hint of peach in it. So that also So that also helps in cancelling any sort of darkness. So you can always avoid using two concealers, dark color concealer like we use first to conceal, and then we use a highlighting concealer to highlight. You can totally avoid two concealers and use just one concealer. If you have darkness, you can use a concealer with a peach undertone, and yeah, that's it. Like I've used today. You have to try and see on yourself आपके लिए क्या वर्क करता है. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कोई आदमी दो कंसीलर यूज़ करे तो आप भी दो करो, और अगर आप दो नहीं करोगे तो आपका मेकअप खराब होगा. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. Just try out different things and see what works for you, and that's it. That's how you will learn. So I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'll bake my under eyes because I'll be doing my lower lash line, and again there's a chance of fallout. Okay, so I'll take a small pencil brush and we'll take brown shadow, of course. You can also add a little bit of black. I'll just go round and round ताकि सब blend भी हो जाए और वो white भी हो जाए powder. So I'll use a little bit of foundation, and I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. And let me be honest, मैं seriously foundation use करना भूल गई आज. Okay, so concealer ने इतने अच्छे से cover कर दिया कि मैं भूल गई foundation use करना. So I applied the littlest amount of foundation, and now I'll set it with the loose powder. So I'll set my face with some powder, थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल, so that everything looks flawless. और ऐसा दिखे ना कि मैं फाउंडेशन भूल गई थी, and then I've added it later on powder के ऊपर. Okay guys, now I'm gonna bronze my face with this bronzer from Cover FX. This is my favorite brush guys. इससे मैं concealer भी लगाती हूँ, इसमें foundation भी आज मैंने लगा लिया, and I've also set my under eyes with powder with this brush. और अभी मैं इससे bronzer भी लगाऊंगी और highlighter भी लगा सकती हूँ. So for blush, I'll be using the Miss Claire Illuminating Baked Blusher, and we'll apply it on my apples. For my lips today, I'll be using the Colorbar lip liner in the shade Chocolate Brown. And I'll be adding this lip color from Makeup Revolution in the shade Glass. And that's it. I'll do my hair, add some jewelry, and we'll get back to you. And this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.